what we're testing here today, it's the reverse assistant.
Yeah, the reversing assistant.
The reversing assistant, okay.
Which is working like it will save the last 50 meters of your front where it's driving. Yeah.
Okay.
Up to 35 kilometers per hour, and if you are in on a small lane and there's maybe a towing truck or something else, and you have to go backwards, it will help you. It goes back your drive the last 50 meters. Yeah.
Okay.
And the system is working up till 7 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And yeah, in this small garage, you will not do the 7 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah. The only thing you have to do while driving is using the brake for changing the speed. Yeah.
Okay.
You are still the driver. It's just an assistant. If somebody pops in the back, you have to brake. The car will not brake automatically.
Gotcha.
Yeah?
Okay.
You go through there, then you go through there.
The finishing position is where the camera guys.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. All right.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. That's it.
All right, let's give it a try.
Going on here. Make left. Everything goes.
Now we go straight or make a right. In between here.
Yeah.
We stop.
Perfect. Yeah, you stop. And if you put in the reverse gear and press the reversing assistant button,
Okay.
the green light will go on and it shows you the system is running. Yeah.
Okay.
If you release the brake from now on, the system is working. But what you have to do is
Control the speed.
control the speed. Yeah. Don't go too fast.
Okay.
Give the car a chance.
Okay. It's actually very cool.
Yeah, it's super easy. And here it shows you the rest range.
Till you get to
Where
the
we started,
starting
yeah.
point. Tells you to stop it, basically. That's it. Wow. Very cool.